In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of your admin. So when you log in, this is the home screen that you see, and let's start by having a look at the left-hand navigation. Moving on from home, we can quickly manage things like orders, products, create and manage categories, manage customers, and even quick access to things like the App Store, settings, analytics, site designer, site tagging, and menu editor. Moving over to the middle of the screen, you have some quick access to some relevant analytics for your store, and you can even quickly change the timeline for those analytics. As we scroll down the page, you'll see here that we can quickly choose a theme and also quickly add pages. And if you'd like to hide this content, you can, and you can even delete this from view. Moving down some more, we have some relevant next steps for you, as well as some help resources. Now, speaking of help, if I come up to the top of the page again and look in the top right-hand corner, you'll see this question mark. And this is where you can quickly access our help center, send us a quick chat, or even schedule a call. Another nice feature in the top right-hand corner is the ability to create an image gallery. So if you have some images saved on your computer that you'd like to upload, this is the place to do that. And finally, in the top right corner, here's where you log out. So I hope that's a helpful overview of your admin. For more help and other video content, have a look at volusion.com/resource-center.